Okay, I'm doing a quick audio test. I'm just testing to see the difference between the sound quality of my Shure Wireless mic and my Rode NT3 mic, which is on a boom pole overhead, and it's running through my Sony Z5U camera, and I'm just basically seeing the difference between each microphone and trying to figure out which sounds the most natural. And now I'm going to just test the room for unwanted noise and see how that works. So that's about it. I'm going to go load this on YouTube and check it out.